to go on the other side of the block so I can see you pretty close. There you go. This is going to be a tough level.
Uh-huh.
Is your real friend very big? Oh, yes, very big. I call him Mighty. Then what does he call you? Big Bear.
What level is it?
It's level 60. It's a skeleton. It's the one when the piggies be zombies. I mean, it's skeleton. Green ones that you get to fight. It changes into a freeze guy that has a sword. And then it turns into a skeleton that has a knife, that has a sword too, and he turns into a dot at the sky because then the octopus strolls live everywhere.
There's lives?
No, the octopus one throws knives.
Oh gosh.
And that means it's so dangerous.
It is dangerous. Did you make this level up?
Yep.
But don't you need to put the where's the what did you do with the
Being back.
no, what did you do with the piggy?
No, he's back here.
Oh, that is a tough level. Let's just see. I didn't get all of the level in here. Let's see. Check this level out. Oh, that is a tough level.
What did you do? I called on the seagulls for help.
That's what you have to do.
Yeah. So now I guess we need to pick up all these blocks, huh?
Not yet. Yeah, I have to change to level 100.
Boy, this house is a pigsty, huh?
Who's coming?
All of Ethan's toys are over there.
Who's coming?
Okay, say bye-bye. I'm done recording.
Bye-bye. But I need you to keep recording.
I'm going to go finish dishes.